Trust me when I tell you, I'm bringing you the YouTube content that no one else is gonna bring you. Y'all can laugh your heads off, I don't even care. Where's my third hand when I need it? Y'all are in for a treat today.
We'll leave that just like that.
Here, can you guys help me? I need you to carry this. Hold on. My hair's a disaster. I'm super sorry. I always feel like somebody's watching me. But before I can help Aaron, I gotta do some maintenance one of them days. Like this, okay? Oh, good, I got that. And then all of it. Anyways, we got a big job today. Welcome to It's Our Small Farm Life. We hope you enjoy our new series, We Bought the Farm. So Clayton and I noticed the other day that the skid steer, that the hydraulics would bleed off a little bit. So like if we'd be holding something, the forks would want to lay back down a little bit. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pop the top off. I'm going to add me some hydraulic fluid, and then I'm going to pull out a refrigerator or two for Aaron, and he's going to come pick them up. I realize that before we get started, you need to know exactly what I'm going to do. I need to know exactly what I'm going to do, but here's what I'm going to do. I got to loosen the knob, then I got to take off this big heavy thing. Okay, so you get to watch me struggle with that. That's going to be fun. Don't worry. That'll be a good one. And then I believe underneath here, I'll just show you when we get there. Hold on. I had the Patrick Mahomes mouth going. Do not want any dust or anything down in there. Definitely don't. Okay, just took a little bit of muscles. Hold on, I gotta clean around it better. I just cleaned my filter, super nice and clean. So we're gonna add hydraulic fluid. Might take me a second, y'all can laugh your heads off, I don't even care. So one nice thing is, this screen is catching everything and looks really good. Nope, Taz, you gotta get down. So oops, sorry, I just like flung him off of here. But it looks really good. All right, that looks good. All right, give me a minute, I gotta open up my thing. Roll SpongeBob. Again, with the heavy crap. Okay, here we go. All right, perfect. See how dirty this is? I'm gonna clean it off too. And then we're gonna close her back up and we're gonna go do some work. All right, now to put it back together, hold on. I think I need to get over here. There we go. Just gotta go right here first. And then I gotta get it over. Okay. All right, y'all. There we go. Screw cap back on. And I'm in business. Now to put all my stuff away. Let all that good juices flow in there. Y'all ever have those moments where you really have to read and make sure that you got the right thing? I mean, like, that I didn't put hydraulic fluid in. But I did. No, just me. Okay. Y'all, I'm flat going to town. I'm breaking everything. Watch. Oops. All right, let's see. we're gonna try not to break a window or something. Might have to go get a different grab right down there, because I'm a little high. Look at this weird thing that I've grabbed a hold of. I'm sure at one point that was a nice window. What happened is it's grown around this tree. See? What is down there? I don't know, but it is picking me up. It's picking my rear end up. I mean, that's scary. I mean, I'm a little high-centered anyway, but let's give it one more try. Nope. Alright, back out. Try again. I might try and send y'all down somewhere. Y'all, why didn't we pick up that nasty old... Surely that's a tire, right? Yeah, that's something. It's not a snake. But this is the pile I'm working on. I'm just seeing if I can loosen it up a little bit. I'm sure there's things in there I don't want to know about.
Lunch.
But I'm trying to loosen it up a little bit, see if we can get something out. I have torn it up. Okay, so I'm gonna set you guys on this little weird piece of tin that I just dug out right there that y'all saw. I'm gonna see if it'll hold you. It's not gonna be a great view, but maybe we'll get something. This is working. So I've destroyed a lot, loosened up some, but we're gonna have to, I think, cut those trees down right there because this stuff's growing through it. It's kind of a mess. Kind of a mess. I'll just tell you right now. But I'm sure there's something living down in there that I wish I had a gun to shoot with, but there's that stinging tire, looks like a snake. Okay, I'm gonna go over on the other side of the pond and see if I can get something done. Look who rolled in.
On today's episode of trying to keep the bills paid, Hunter and I have to figure out how to get this pile of mess on that trailer. We'll leave that just like that for Clayton to come around here one day.
Okay, you do that. That's scary as crap, man.
Could you imagine?
This stuff
they walk around the corner and Clayton puts his light up and sees that stuff.
Yeah,
No.
you gotta take
No.
him about dark.
Oh, okay, well, he comes back here possum hunting all the time. I will. It will soon be the refrigerator pond no more. I'm going to attempt to stab him. Oh, I'm so freaking good. Look at that nasty stuff. Y'all can't tell how steep that is, but it's scary. So I'm going to catch you on the flip side. Not after I flip it over. I underestimated and overestimated how scary that was all at once. Well, now what am I going to call it after I've taken all these refrigerators out of here? Can't be the refrigerator pond anymore. This one put up a fight.